Cars are some of the most intoxicating, most beautiful things ever forged by mankind. They represent the glory of technology, the essence of freedom, and have been the weapons in some of our most gripping sporting battles. They grip us, they cheer us on, they hold us up as heroes. So this is about the love of all things four-wheeled and fast.
Red bombs on the shoes like it's roses. I'm sorry I could never see you down. I'm sorry I could never turn you frown. I'm sorry always fall by the drown. Just wanna stop me like some red light.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy DG, it's your boy Griff, and yes, we are back with another video. Yeah, I know it's been a while, but like I said, finding people to do content with is a bit hard. But obviously I found someone today. So what we're doing today, obviously it's a drag race, as per normal, 3 runs, so on and so forth. So it's my car, which is the 330D XDRIVE, stage 1 with an intercooler and a panel filter. So it's pushing around 330 brake and 620-ish, 630-ish Newton meters of torque. The person that's coming down, obviously he's going through all 4 wheels as well because it's XDRIVE. The person that's coming down has an Audi A7, the BiTDI one. So it said it's got a stage 1. And I know with a stage 1, they push 360 to 380, I believe, brake horsepower, and have around 550 to 600 pound foot of torque. Now I'm not sure what that is in Newton meters, I don't know off the top of my head, but it's considerably more torque than me. So he's got a lot more torque than me. He's got about probably 60-70 brake horsepower more than me. However, his car weighs like 2.2 tons. Mine weighs 1.8, so it's an extra 500 kilograms, 400 kilograms which he's got carrying around. So we'll see how it goes, man. Let's go.
Round 1, fight.
Okay, so everything's in sport. Got the GoPro there. Everyone's ready. Alright, ready when you are, bro. So yeah, I had him off the line on that one. I got a better start than him, to be fair, that's about it. I think that was all just down to the start. So we're gonna go again and see what happens. Yeah.
Round 2, fight.
Alright, so this is race 2 of 2. Once again, everything's in sport. Yeah, ready when you are, bro. I'm just pulling away from him. So yeah, that was that one. Obviously we're gonna go again. We're gonna launch it now. Obviously my car hasn't actually got launch control, so I'm just gonna brake boost it at probably 1,500-2,000 revs, just because I don't want to warp my discs. So yeah, let's line up. Like I said, obviously my car hasn't got launch, so I'm just gonna brake boost it from like 1,500-2,000. And see how it goes. Yeah, ready when you are, bro. Oh. You got a better start than me. Yeah, see, I said so. If I'm launching it, it would have me, and he did have me from launching it. Smoked me on that one there, absolutely gapped me on that one there still, I'm not gonna lie. You win some, you lose some, innit? Alright, so we're gonna do a rolling one. So it's from that post just there. We're gonna do it from 30. And we've both obviously got to try time it. So yeah, I'm ready when you are, bro. Right, 30, yeah?